Many of you have heard about our Garden Time tours. We have taken so many viewers around the world and around the Pacific Northwest.
Now we are so proud to announce our new tour that is happening in September of 2019 to Northern Italy and the French Riviera.
Our tour begins the 13th of September as we head to Europe.
We say buongiorno to Italy as we start our tour in Verona on Lake Como. Our 3 days here are filled with visits to incredible public and private gardens in what is considered the most beautiful part of Italy. Here we will visit Villa Carlotta, Villa Melzi, and Villa Balbianello, which has been featured in many Hollywood films. We will even have an optional cooking class for those who want to try their hands at authentic Italian cooking. We'll also enjoy a tour of historic Bellagio.
Next, we will travel to the Mediterranean and the town of Menton. Sheltered by the Maritime Alps and averaging 360 days of sunshine a year, this area has one of the mildest climates in Europe. Oranges and lemons thrive here, and the gardens contain a host of unusual and tropical plants. During our 3 days in Menton, we will see many private gardens and even take a side trip to Monaco to stroll the exotic gardens and the observation cave. We will also stop by the dazzling Rothschild Gardens and Villa. This villa contains numerous garden rooms surrounding the amazing villa.
Then we travel to Arles in Provence. Arles has 7 major UNESCO sites, including the amazing Roman amphitheater. We will also walk in the footsteps of Van Gogh and Picasso. During our 4 days in Arles, we will stop at a local outdoor market, visit sites in the French countryside, and also visit the private garden at La Louvre, which has been classified as one of the most notable gardens of France.
We then head to Aix-en-Provence, the birthplace of Paul Cézanne. Their charming old town is one of the top tourist destinations in France.
We finally arrive in Nice for our final 2 nights on the tour. Travelers can relax or visit the old town and the flower market. There are numerous other options for those who want a day trip to other locations along the French Riviera.
This trip is going to fill up fast, so if you sign up before the end of this year, you can save $250 per person.
So to reserve your space and to get more details, please go to the Garden Time website to the tours page.
We hope that you can join us in September of 2019.